Welcome to Momedram. In this video, we will discuss throw keyword in Java. Sometimes we can create exception object explicitly and we can hand over to the JVM manually by using throw keyword. In simple terms, we can say throw keyword is used to throw an exception explicitly. The throw keyword syntax is throw instance of throwable type. In this example, we have division method and we are throwing an exception explicitly by using throw keyword. So throw new arithmetic exception divided by 0 we are throwing. When we run this program, we will get this exception at the line number 10. So if you see the output started the division exception, after that the exception came. So by using throw keyword we can throw the exception explicitly. A left side example, if you see division method, it is we are doing division operation a by b. When you run this program by sending 10 and 0, at the line number 10 the exception will come. That means the exception object is created and implicitly thrown by the main method. The same example, if you see in the right side, line number 10 we are throwing. Here we are throwing manually by using throw keyword. If you see in these two cases, the result is the same. Based on this example, we understand one thing. It is not required to throw any predefined exceptions. That means if any predefined exceptions happen, that time program itself it will take care implicitly and it will be thrown. So in general, we can use throw keyword for customized exceptions but not for predefined exceptions. Let us see some more observations about throw keyword. If exception object of throw class refers null, then we will get null pointer exception. That means in this example we are creating object for arithmetic exception E and we are throwing that arithmetic exception. When you run this program, we are getting cannot throw exception because exception handling dot throw class, this class is null, so it is referring null object. Even though we are throwing arithmetic exception, it is this exception is pointing to the null, so here it is giving error. It is not able to throw that exception because it is pointing to the null. We cannot keep any statements after throw statement. If we keep them, we will get compile time error saying unreachable statement. In this example, we are throwing the exception explicitly. After that, if we add any statements, we are getting unreachable statement error because the controller will be exit from this line number 11 when an exception occurred. That is the reason we cannot keep any statements after a throw statement. We can use the throw keyword only for throwable types, otherwise we will get compile time error saying that incompatible types. That means if you want to throw any exception, that exception should be of type throwable and its subclasses. If you throw any general classes, that time it will give error saying that incompatible type. So in this I am using IntelliJ, so it is giving suggestion saying that required type is throwable but provided different throw class, our class it is saying, so it is giving suggestion also, make throw class extends java.lang.throwable. So when you extend this one to throwable, then it will become throwable subtype, so we can able to access like that it is saying. So we understand that if you want to throw any exception, it should be of type throwable only. Exceptions occurred in the try blocker catch block. Thus catching exceptions can be rethrown using throw keyword. Generally, if any exceptions are occurred in the try block, that will be catched in the catch block. And if you want to throw that exception, if you want to throw some other exception, in this example we are catching that exception E and we are throwing arithmetic exception. That kind of scenarios we can use this throw keyword. In interviews also, like if we want to rethrow an exception, how we can do that, like that they will ask. That time we can say by using throw keyword we can able to rethrow the exceptions. We are using throw keyword to throw an exception explicitly. If you are throwing an exception explicitly, it must be handled in somewhere, otherwise program will be terminated. Based on the requirements we will be handling or not handling will be decided. Based on these examples, we understand that throw keyword is used to throw an exception explicitly. It is always recommended to throw the exceptions, that is user defined exceptions or customized exceptions, by using throw keyword. This is all about throw keyword in Java. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.